longtime friends blending the spine-chilling thrills of horror and true crime.
The wildest Reddit stories.
And the hottest pop culture moments, one bold episode at a time. Welcome to
The
Bold Blend.
I'm Nate.
I'm Kate.
And I'm Ange.
Hey, welcome to our final destination. I'm kidding. Final.
No,
What?
no, please, no.
Perfect. Our final Pride episode. And since we already did horror, we did Reddit and pop culture with Ange. So today I'm gonna indulge you with a bunch of short Reddit posts that we are just gonna randomly react to. So
quick chika pod guys. So ganina nagsabot may ko nga. You know the true fashion of a chismosa, mag-Reddit ta. Mang chismis ta sa Reddit. Muna siya.
diba? So here is my first one. So a lot of my Reddits are from WLW_PH. Women, 11 women. Ano to, Ange?
Walawa. Like, kaya mo ko ba nag-post TikTok sa Fritzy before nga. Kanang cute-cute na mga to nga date ba niya. Na ni comment, is this walawa? Ko nga, unsay walawa? Kaya kanamit na ang feel na ko, Gen Z kay siya nga ting ba niya. Kami kay,
It is.
unsay walawa? Uy, unsay lawa-lawa? Unsa man? At ko nga, kay WLW, so walawa ko. Okay.
Apparently, we read acronyms now. So, magkonye ka, magloan ka to ka. Anyway. So, this is by user Les Podcast Enthusiast. Hi, we're a podcast. But they're Tagalog. Yeah, Bisaya man ta. So, anyway, this is called whitewashed sapphics na usual nakikita ng mga younger sapphics sa TikTok. A discussion. So, apparently, this person posted a screenshot sa ihang Reddit post. And this is basically what the screenshot said, ha? What mask means for a certain demographic of Filipino sapphics. Wolf cut, Englishera, nonchalant, payat, matangkad, not too butch, does not identify as tomboy. And then, katong screenshot, it's actually a repost of, I don't even know what this is anymore. Is this from X? Is this from Threads? I don't know. It's something like that. Anyway, so ang yung post, okay, it's from a person called @Prinsipe ng Poot. Habang nandito na rin, I respectfully disagree with mask shortage kuno. Saan ba kayo tumitingin? Hindi nyo ba nakikita yung mga tomboy sa palengke, bakery, sari-sari, simbahan, sakyan sa kanto, at iba pa? Tell me, how do you look at the ordinary Filipino lesbian ba? Because again, circling back to the person na nag-repost, to people, mask means mga cool, naka-wolf cut, and usually very fashionable, and I don't know how ma-picture kay kanang baggy jeans.
Kanang pina-mysterious ko no hay. Oh no, bitaw sa kanang dili mo smile. Kanang inana.
And for some reason they are artistic. Hello, I am autistic. So, after posting that screenshot, this Redditor then posted, this has been a huge discussion sa Twitter, and gusto ko lang din i-share dito sa Reddit. Oh, so it was Twitter. Hey, it made me realize then na TikTok really brings out your insecurity, no? Ang ganda nila, they are thin, naka-wolf cut usually, and they are tall. Sobrang cool nga tingnan. Mala manhwa yung datingan. Di natin na-realize na TikTok or other social media really do set some standards on how gay people should look like. Kaya makakakita ka na lang ng mga post dito na, do I look gay enough? Ha ha
Oh
ha ha.
no.
Kaya din siguro humihirap dating scene within our community despite being open na din. I really do love working class butches natin dito sa Pilipinas. The original poster even shared a certain history of tomboy culture pa nga, which is really interesting. Actually, madami na sila dito sa bayan namin. Ha ha ha. They have been around and nakikita ko sila since I was in elementary. And ngayong college graduate na ako and nakikita ko pa rin sila. Legit talaga na they are everywhere. My pharmacist, my driver ng motor, may nagwo-work sa government, as a government employee, seller ng baboys or isda sa palengke, and even tagabantay ng tindahan, which is true.
Mhm.
You know, butch people are, sorry, everywhere. Kaya sa mga naghahanap dyan, wag na sa online maghanap. Ha ha ha, look around you kasi we are everywhere. There was never a shortage of mask. Sadyang, napalitan lang talaga ang perception nyo on how sapphics should look like. And the top commenter here, it's from a deleted account. And ni chime in siya ba for katong the mask that people are kanang looking up to, or I guess kanang katong kind of mask. Iya siya nga. Tapos nagwo-work sa coffee shop as barista or librarian or some other niche jobs.
Mhm.
Yes, very unrealistic. Very unrealistic. Real masks are actually shamed and hinihilera sa meme na tomboy na nakamiyo.
Mhm.
Which is, while it is fun sometimes, pero ang pinag-isipan mo talaga is such a slander. So, ni-comment si OP, hated tomboy na nakamiyo stereotype. May nakita din akong another post dito sa Reddit from other PH threads na expander is sasakyan daw ng mga tomboy. With people and
Di
stereotypes.
ay. Karon mo kadungan na.
Kaya, when I came out talaga, I hated to be associated with the word tomboy kasi it felt like an insult sa akin. Thankfully, I was able to overcome that. Dahan-dahan na ding ina-accept that I really am a tomboy rather than a bakla. Ha ha ha. So, I guess there is that trend where people stereotype na if you're cool, if you have a wolf cut, you're mask.
Mhm.
But if you have a different haircut and you drive a Mio, and the regular butch, the everyday butch that you would see everywhere, you're tomboy na nakamio. And so I think kaan siya kanang sige term ano bro, ang shaming or discrimination.
Mhm.
I don't know, to
Kanang
people who
mura na
don't.
siya low-key insult ba?
Yeah, it is.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it is a low-key insult. So what are you guys' thoughts on that?
So actually, 'di ba? If you remember bitaw, agree ko nga like when I was younger, butch man jud mong makitaan. Makita gay kag butch, automatic nga kana siya, dili na siya straight. Ina na ba?
Correct.
I mean, I think mga the last 5 years lang siguro na nga murag I hear
love
the
that
word
music.
mask a lot, jud. 'Di ba nga kanang wala may mugamit ani sa una. Like for us even here sa Philippines kay kuan na jud bayot tomboy ana lang, 'di ba? But still in that sense tomboy isn't even the sexuality as a whole man, 'di ba?
It's not.
It's the
Yeah.
kanang the way you dress yourself. Dili
Yes,
siya
you
nga
can be straight and be tomboy.
'Di ba? So mo na siya ang usa sa mga misconception diri sa ato sa Philippines nga murag na notice nako nga dagan kayo basta makakita gay sila nga dili feminine ang sininaan kay tomboy na siya o ganan na siya babae. Ina na ba? So which is murag maka-realize pud ka nga very important for people to really know about kanang ma-educate ga sila about Soji nga di na siya related all the time. Ito sa karon ko ka-realize very nice topic nga kanang ang usual man jud ta nga lesbian diri sa Philippines kay ang butch. 'Di ba nga kanang mubuog buhok nga kanang magpina baggy nga shorts Nga,
Correct. Onya, nakatina ang buhok og
nakatina ag buhok.
some
Uh-huh.
bright color.
Onya,
Na
nakafubo nga
bleach.
t-shirt or tribal.
Tribal.
Diba? But yeah, going back, I think more lang sa mga younger ones na sila ning murag di ko ganahan siguro ang better if like ilahi na lang jud siya. Dili nga murag ana kay I don't know. Pero bitaw sa from the word itself nga mask, so you identify as masculine.
Masculine presenting.
Mao gani ba, but at the same time di sila ganahan nga i-associate with butch. So I don't know.
I mean, if you are really like super masked, that's basically I don't really know. Okay, I'm not 100% knowledgeable on how the spectrum
Yeah.
merges like that, but I guess people also just in a way kind of avoid the term butch because of the judgment and the stereotyping that comes with it. And it sucks because I hate that I'm generalizing, but I think that I am. But I feel like the younger generations, dare I say, would, if you're the tomboy na naka Mio, that nga lang na perceive nga kind of butch, you're lesser than. You're not cool.
Yeah.
You're not someone that is attractive. You're someone that people laugh at. You're and it's crazy because it's the same young people who are very active in pride movements and I don't know why we make fun. I mean, our barber who has been in service ever since Ed grew hair, even before that, katong wala pa si Ed, si Papa, is butch and actually is a very nice person. And we don't make fun of her or him, whatever yung pronouns. We don't, because you know what, we respect the fact that maya siya mukatog hair. And I wish people just see people like that and not, because you're wearing these kind of clothes, you're not wearing cool clothes. It sucks.
I think no ganahan kay ko nga naata ni nga discussion kay we don't hear a lot about this man good. No? Nga kanang di mo good siya, I think for some siguro kind of sensitive siya or like very murag ma-relate mo good siya maayo with what we see around us ba. So and to add lang pod kanilagi kanang moingon sila nga kanang butch nga mo na din na sila kanang mga tambok nga kanang mubuog buhok. Yeah, inana ilang perception and like like I don't know no naadyoy even in the community naadyoy gap mo na siya nga kanang pag-discriminate gani. So I don't know oy murag wala joy inana jud
That's
guro
the
ang
word
tao.
I was looking for the whole time. Discriminate.
Yeah, no?
Thank you. Nahilon na ako. And I just wanna, and I think I'm dragging this a little too much, but I just wanna like shed a little light because we don't really talk about these people that much. And I heard it from, I think from another podcast or from Reddit. Whoever said this, sige go. If makadungog mo ani, you know what, this is yours. Ano siya nga, I think because we have gay men who are known to just come out proud and like boom, walk proud. But why is it nga ang kanidang mga butch, mga lesbians, mga trans men, why is their presence not as big? If that makes sense. And then yan na siya nga, maybe it circles back again to women being lesser than, just being made to keep quiet na lang. And even the gay women, and then it circles back to the patriarchy nga, kanang, women are just used to just keeping quiet when things are tough, even when they are being attacked. Sige, mahilom na lang. And don't you see that? Diba? Nga, I don't know. Maybe I'm generalizing or what, but mo masad ako ma-observe good. Like, I dare you to insult a gay man. Diba, hapdus ka nag-clapback.
Sa true
Paglain
lang.
ni mong lawas, siguro ini mo sa clapback.
Sa true lang.
You
Bitaw
apply
sa,
toothpaste in your entire body. Toothpaste. Cold water there to burn.
it
But,
all comes back jud sa kanang pag-mold nila sa society ba?
exactly.
Yeah.
And try to insult a butch person. Most likely, half of them may clap back, but I know that there's a certain percentage nga who'll just stay quiet and like, di na lang mangitag koan. And that sucks, right? Okay. Again, even in this koan, in the gay community, okay, naaragyapon ang effects of patriarchy.
Mhm.
I mean, di mo kay ko super well versed ani kay, you know, I'm not a lesbian. I'm just bi. Pero ang ko lang kay kanang yeah, I've been there man sad na kanang ganing magsuot og kanang yeah, I'm a tomboy.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. But ang kuan lang kay you know, the judgy looks everywhere compared
Yeah.
sa kanang if like gay guy ka, no?
Mhm.
Like I mean, yeah. And also sa Amerika kay ilahang tawag sa mga tomboy na kamiyo, ilang version is tomboy na naka Subaru. Yeah,
I think ka masasad ko
di
na.
ba?
Oo.
Kanang mag-plaid outfit.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and they all drive Subarus for some reason. Pero I mean, you know, puro siya ka ng universal experience gani for
Yeah.
all masked lesbians nga koan. Especially katong si nga na to, kanang mag si Justin Bieber nga kanang isend ko nga reels
Kinsa?
Jenna
Oh,
na
katong
siya
ganan,
niya
alay.
kanang dili puro siya
Dili mo.
puro kanang baby girl kanang I love you or
Wala ko
ambot lang basta
ka-remember.
sendan ti ka Anjuri
Sige, sige,
Katong
sige.
daot kayo.
oo
wala.
kana siya basta naay kuan gani nga maybe satirical or gyud ang iyahang mga posts but makakuan jud ka nga grabe jud kayo ang iyaha ganing negative nga comments compared nimo if like kuan pa to sa as um uh feminine nga lesbian
Mhm.
kanang
Yeah.
mura lagi mahimog butt of the joke
Yeah.
ana ba.
Ito, no? I think, may tag, I don't know, basin in the next few years, mausab na sad na siya nga dynamic diya nga kanang pag-label sa mga lesbians. But, yeah, mo lang na akong opinion, ang mask is just a fancy name for a butch nga for some reason murag ashamed sila to be called one when in fact ang description of a mask and a butch is almost the same. Diba? You dress in a not feminine way. You also like girls. It's just that if you say butch, especially here sa Philippines, katukang mga mubo og buhok nga nay highlights, nga naka-baggy shorts, nga nagsakay og miyo. Pero if mas gani kay you know the mysterious cool one nga kanang mga naka V-neck nga ana diri yung pagpakita nga. And like I don't know where that came from and it's sad no nga even within sa community kay nanay lang tanaw. So I don't know, might change in the next few years, but yeah, that's the reality karon.
Naay part na kana ba nga kuan nga murag ni play ang murag classism or something kay you know the way you describe is kana man ang mga new age nga kuan mga butch sa ato na lang gitawgon sila ana yeah kanang
Hurt din sila.
oh I'm so sorry as a gay mask presenting lesbians it's my term dyan inyong gusto
Ay.
basta you know I mean you mga wolf cut people
Roar.
Pag first year college, mo sa nako hairstyle. Di pa to uso kayo sa kan.
Wa pa ka na label ato nga mask.
Oh.
Wa ka nga, wala nakahuno ng mask ni.
Gilabel ako maskulado.
Maskulado.
Di bito. Anyway, so bito. Yeah. Kasagaran ang ilahang gipang kuan sad is kira lagi yung mga naa sa mga nindot nga places na ilang gimin ana if ilang gipangita klaro naman kayo ilan na lang kita ng kumpletohon ng ilang standards.
Lagi no, oh my god, karo ka gets.
Ah.
Bitaw sa nga, if fancy imong job, if like well kept ka, and like basically you have your life together nga na kay kanang let's say na kay 9 to 5 and after your 9 to 5 kay mag-gym ka and in the morning mag-run ka.
Mag-run ka.
Di ba? So mask na ka na. But if inigbuntag kayod dayon ka, nagkaburiting yung mga butch ka, hinanay la.
May mong trabaho kay tagabantay ka sa tindahan. Which I see a lot for some reason. No?
Diba?
And I think it's because reliable sa bitaw yun. Nga ko, ay mo makita sa yun.
True.
Reliable workers ba? So, if nga
anak.
Ha? Kinsa kang anak.
Pero bitaw sa I think tungod sad kay murag mas na-introduce man gud siya here kay before wa man sa taka-try nga femme ni siya nga lesbian. 'Di ba? Like naman wala ta kadungog pa jud anang mga terms nga femme og butch or mask and ana, 'di ba? Wala man ang mga terms before but ay ana lang na siya tungod sa mga bag-ong tubo. 'Di ba?
Correct. Which is a good thing. It specify, it makes the spectrum
ang identity nila
clearer, your identity clearer, and at least man sad now nga kanang that is clear. You no longer but malesen na gani ang question nga you like girls but why? You're very feminine, like at least that is cleared up.
I mean, okay man nga naana sila nga mga labels in how you present yourself. Lagi going back lagi sa soji, di ba? So lahi man na ang imong sexuality and then how you present yourself pod. Okay raman jud na basta dili lang gani murag mo discriminate sa other people.
Exactly.
And much sad man gud siya kay within the community ra pod.
Exactly. And, isn't it ironic that I have to say, Tita Alanis, the community that you fight for, you're very vocal about, you're defending your political views, kay ano kayo sa community. But then, mulok down ka sa people within the community. So that's not cool. Not cool.
Mura to among point, guys. Dahil kaming na-story, pero mura dito ang main point.
Because we don't get to talk about this much.
Yeah.
For some reason, no? We don't get to talk about it.
But if you guys have your thoughts, your input, so feel free to comment. We are always open nga ma-educate me kay we are all still learning and I don't know if maka-notice mo but we have these conversations sa mga episode usay nga makana mi nga hala bitaw sa nga kanang which is very you see the type of people nga or like the friendship that we have nga dili me gahig ulo in a sense.
Correct. If you want to enlighten us, please.
Open-minded.
Open-minded ka ba?
Open-minded ka ba? Okay, for the next Reddit post, this is again from WLW_PH, Wallawa, from user CraftyAd1282 from 17 days ago. Title is, joined an all-mask GC and was sorely disappointed. Rant/vent. Okay, this is a very short one. So, I recently joined a GC for masked women and was disappointed by how people behaved. It felt like one of those group chats with men. May instance pa na may tinulungan yung isa sa GC because someone posted sa R4R that they needed a place to stay to get out of a toxic situation. And that person helped, yes. But grabe yung sinasabi niya sa GC. Like, next time, gagawin ko to, sisiguraduhin ko na chicks, be. Vomit face, vomit face, vomit face. Let's be better people, nakakahiya. and disallow ang comments. So it's just our thoughts and this post. So I think that OP joined this group or this GC, to find the community. Okay, it would feel good to be in a community where people share the same experiences as you, and most likely OP is also mask. So, ngita siya community. And when OP got there, joined siya sa GC, it turned out to be like a men's locker room ang talk. And it coming from mask women na, most likely as women we should know better. we should know better, because at a certain point, the thing is, we see that man good, we see that behavior, and even maybe be on the receiving end of that behavior. I mean, ako admitted ko, I've been on the receiving end of that behavior from men. And why would we, if you are a masked lesbian, why would you want the same toxic behavior? Why? It doesn't make you cooler, tougher,
manlier, masculinier.
No, it doesn't, right?
Yeah,
it just makes you a horrible person.
Yeah. I think kana sila kay itong nidako ng nga kanang kuan kay ko kanang ana na kay ba varsity walk na ba?
Wait, na varsity walk?
Kanang amot, if maka-remember mo natin mga batchmates or schoolmates nga mag-varsity walk man before.
Yes.
Yeah, masud ako nating. Actually,
I think tungod na silang eggs.
Mas squish lang eggs.
Magpilit.
Magpilit ka sa singot.
Ew.
I wouldn't know. I don't have those.
Yeah.
Thankfully.
But going back.
Isa na sa ako na donggan.
Bitaw, wata kay balupod. Like mushy and kaluod. Anyway, so going back, I think kanang mga inana nga people nga inana ang behavior kay kanang ito kana ni dako ang nga siguro poging-pogi sa sarili. Inana ba? Kay admittedly naaman sa mga inana nga mask lesbians. Kanitong reference na nila mga inana nga behavior. So kanang inana ba nga feeling nako kanang cool na kay sila tungod ba kaha murag kanang daghan na sila na uyab or mga gwapa ilang uyab unsa ba kaha nga murag feel nila murag lalaki na gay sila. So mo to ang nahitabo sa nakita ni OP. And murag I would not want to be in that kanang in that space. Yeah, nga murag kanang you're supposed to still side sa women ba? But then
girl power.
Yeah, the way you behave or you act kay kanang basura nga behavior nga mangkatcall sa kilid. Kanang bitong makagets ka nga dili tanay kay dili chicks. Murag feel kanang tong or for some reason maybe horny lang jud kay to siya nga person nga na namasin siya nga maka-hook up niya ang ihang gipastay. So like it all leads down to that person being an asshole lang jud.
Kanang I don't know, kanang I don't get why people do that. And I just realized I had a similar experience, and it's someone from our high school or grade school or both. Let me tell you a story. So,
and diba, nag-change ko sa kong forma niya. Okay, let's get cozy.
Wait. Unsay timeline ani una? Like sila ni ko ani? College.
So this is the story. Natay high school / grade school batchmate, and we are not close. You guys know we are not close. Then I don't know, nakigipalit ng guru agad ato niya. I don't know what I did. but I think I'm certain I bought something. Then, niadto ko sa ilahang area. You know where sa ilahang area, right? Ito ka ilahang area. Oh, so ito ko sa ilahang area, kaya ko lagi pick up ko sa ko ang palit. Yeah. Nagsakyanan ko ato. Yeah. Kita na ko niya ba? Yeah. Pag hinay na ko og kuan, pag down ako sa window ba? Oh, sa bintana. Kay nakita siya nga nakoy kuyog sa front seat. Before even saying hi to me. Before mangumusta sa siguro siya nako no kay di biya mi close dugay mi mo nagkita rami kay nakoy gipalit. Ambot dito kung sa to kong gipalit niya. Oy, promise dito drugs.
Seller man siya og random things.
Di
I
ay.
think unsa to nga random thing.
Sa una pa na pag grade school pa na.
Oh,
Okay.
you know me. I like to buy random things. Yan na bitaw siya. Yung first gisultin ako no, which is weird. Kaya di mi close. Like, we don't talk. Yan na siya nga, uy, uni mong chicks. Like, excuse me? Like, in a very, like, very, I don't know, manly way. Ikaw ka na ba? Ikaw ang person nga nasa front seat. How would you feel? Diba? I mean, I was shocked. Sa yung first nung gisulti na ako, barog natokan. I was like, huh? What? We talk like that?
No, kanang bitaw no feel ako una-una guro niya ba nga makarelate ni kay same man. But like kanang feeling nako
respond to that. How do you respond to that? It's very disrespectful. If you say yes, it's like mura gimuhang lesson ang person nga gi-objectify ang person. No?
But considering kinsa to nasa front seat, I feel okay ra to niya kay kato siya nga para lang nako ha ang judge ko siya ang kind of person nga mo consent to being objectified.
Yeah, I would probably consider that a compliment, most likely.
Okay.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, most likely that was considered a compliment.
Ang keyword lang yun is the consent, di ba?
Yeah, but for me though,
ikaw, wala mo consent.
For me though, it was very a weird interaction. Huh? Nganong what? This I don't know. I was very bothered by that interaction. Like it did not sit right with me.
Yeah.
I mean, you'd expect that sa mga lalaki, no?
Exactly. I know I can name a few of our friends, lalaki. Ay, ex-friends. Ay, podcast ba yan?
So, basin, no? Kana ilang... If you think man good, if inana ilang pamati nga lalaki na jud sila, siguro don't call yourselves mask lesbians na lang, no? Like, you identify as a man na lang, trans man na lang ka. Like, if you keep doing these behaviors nga murag, this is not very womany.
Yeah,
diba?
You're not pro-women. I don't know. Like, let's be like Rihanna, no? If I were a boy, diba? Treat her right.
Rihanna.
True.
Rihanna ba na?
Beyonce.
Oh my God, no.
Thank you, Beyonce.
Thank you, Beyonce.
I don't want to die in a plane crash. Thank you, Beyonce. Even though I got your name wrong. Name right, wrong. Beyonce if I were, but I'm sorry. Anyway, diba? Like, since, at a certain point, hopefully, you haven't been, if wala pa ka naabot sa receiving end anang very toxic masculinity, but if you have been, know better, do better.
Yeah, nakoy na remember.
Yes!
Nga related aningin ani. So, ang nahitabo ato, dito ni Fritzy sa Ayala. So, I think, lakaw-lakaw lang nag-date lang baka nang lakaw-lakaw lang mag-window shopping. And then, nakitaan nga someone I know. And then, nakita mi kay murag ni agi mi sa bench. Manato niya, murag pagpadung na mo liko, kay namin tuyok. So, padung na mo liko, nagkasugat mi. Kunya, nitagad ko, si Kuan di ay, ako ang uyab. Siya nga, musta? Okay, asa man mo? Ano din siya? Ano ko, ikaw, nagot sa man di ka? Ano din siya nga? Wala ra. Nakoy gihuwat diha. Yan chaperon ba niya? Kana bitong sinuryaan niya kanang. Nakoy gikuhan. Kanang, inana
I
ba?
get that.
But, the thing is, sa Facebook niya, magsigog kakita, magsisiyag post about siyang LDR ng girlfriend. Sige ko kakita. Magsisiyag post nga kanang ilang morag mansari and like something kanang layo man ta pero close ka sa kong heart and all that and like mingaw na kay
Is she
kunimo kanang laban lang ta kay mama okay rataan ni and like after jud na mo nag-meet ato niya na jud din ko ni Fritzy nga shit nam to siya girlfriend like OMG hindi ko nga oh my god kalain yan like muna nga after ato no kay makakita kay ko niya mag-post kay shit kana nasang feeling ira ay nga feeling kanang anak kay nga laki nga unsa man kay abig na kay uyab na kay lain uyab de goods na ka nindot na ka yaw kung Fritzy ana din siya nga nadyo ubanin ana bibihin ka ng mga ana og kanang reaction ba nga kanang ipalabas nga makapull sila og kinsa lang ilang ganahan which is kanang ana nga behavior the very same behavior nga kanang gwapo na kay ko pogi kay ko kay napull ni nako and at the same time napakoy lain napull na ako'y kanang constant nga makuha. Murag inanab and like gisapot.
I get them girls. I mean, you have her.
Ito nga. OMG. So, but dito ko nakarealize sa pagsulti ni Fritzy ko nga bitaw, no? Na mga nga type of people nga kanang abig nakauyab lang ka nga let's say yun sa man kay ihang okay OFW man good so na dito. But the way man good niya gisulti ba nga nakoy ko andiha. Nay ko andiha. Nakoy giuban nan diha in ana ba and like
wow
so unsay man gi-imply okay
ang tawag ana kay women in male dominated fields.
True.
I love this.
True.
Diba? Kanang nag-describe ka Anjuri ba? Yeah. Daghan giglalaki isa akong mind.
Diba?
Karon nga nakakuan ko nga ninani mo to lagi ba to kanang kaning like labi na sila mga weddings na sa Facebook and then like kibakas binuhatan ano yung mga tawhan na labi na and ganang ang uban kay like grabe kayo makapost sa social media unsa nila kalabang ilang partners
ilang family.
Yeah.
I love my family.
No. Very, very kanang trapo behavior, Jud. Di man sa nato i-rule out no nga men lang sa Jud ang inana. But ang thing man good is
it's just like super common.
Yeah, ang thing mo good kay with mask or like lesbian people ba. Yeah, you should be like respecting your girls and all that. And then the way ka mo behave, the way ka mo story about them kay murag just a plaything inana gani. Yeah.
I really don't get that. And wala lang kay diba sa atong first Reddit post kay it was more about seeking respect and equality for everyone within the spectrum. But then if we want that respect, we should also give it back. We should also be worthy of respect. So kana lang this Pride Month, let's consider that. If you are one of those people nga advocate kayo ta sa Pride movement, yay kaman kay Loki yaga ra di ay sa other members of the community.
That ain't it, miss.
Or ingon ana nga toxic behaviors sa men kay you wanna be a man, so what? The best thing to do is follow their toxic behaviors. No. Be like Beyonce. Beyonce na.
If I were a boy.
Paminawa sa og maayo ang if I were a boy. Wala siya. Intense ato ang chikahan today.
Yeah.
And I'm glad that we had the space and the time to talk about these things now. Aren't usually talked about even during Pride Month, dare I say.
Yeah.
Right? So,
yeah, but
guys.
But gusto lang naman emphasize again, if naman may mga nasulti ganina nga murag medyo questionable or like, there are other things to consider ato nga mga comments or remarks. So, let us know. So, very,
Let us learn, pod, no?
kuan man sad gud siya kanang very sensitive sa siya nga topic ba. And yeah, as what Nea mentioned kanina, dili jud mi knowledgeable about everything. Di mi pinamaymay jud. So, there are still a lot of things for us to learn. But, kana. So, this is an open space where people can learn and change their mindset.
So yeah, you can send us a message on Instagram or Facebook if di mo ganahan mo comment sa Spotify or YouTube. Kay, public ba yung comments. So yeah, if ever na nandiyan may ganahan is-say nga tayo mo ingon.
Yeah.
Or PM us. You know,
Yeah.
if your
Yeah.
friends
Wala ta kay ba
Yeah,
mag-guest di ay
yeah, any
mo
of us.
because of that conversation.
so mo to siya, guys. Let us enlighten each other. Para meaningful to that on Pride Month.
True.
All right, so that's pretty much it for us. We promised short episodes every Friday.
Ingon si Nea nga short episodes for Pride series every Friday, but nag-think man may nga last man so murag culmination ba. So again, everyone, happy Pride. So I hope happy in yung mga gay hearts this month. Not just this month, but mas amplified ang inyong feelings and inyong validation sa inyong selves, ang inyong identity and all. And yeah, I think napay mga like the last few days, month, napay mga Pride events. So enjoy and stay safe. And again, use protection. And yeah, that's it for me.
Oh, vet the strangers you talk to if you're on dating apps. And yeah, to quote Rent, Rent ako quote din ng mga random people, measure your life in love. Seasons of love. Okay, katawan na ni Kate na
Dapat
Sige,
yun,
mo-quote
dapat
ko, Grant.
dapat si Kate ato niya nasa siya. Seasons of love. Di ba? Tulo na
tataas-
tato ka voice.
Ay, sorry. Lahi man gud ang ako quote sa Rent. Ako quote sa Rent kay 500.
600 minutes.
Di ba na
Kanita
quote sa
na yung
Rent
mga
kay light my candle.
They say that I have the best ass full of 14th Street. Wala na. Lugay kay kumuha ni
True.
What? You're staring again.
Oh, di ba?
Sorry na. So, that's it. The blend is over for now, but the chaos never stops.
Stay tuned. Stay bold.
And we'll catch you on the flip side. Happy Pride!
Bye.